Saturday morning. Welcome to the channel. This is Gabe's Garage. Right now we are going to my friend's house. He got a lift that he gonna let me borrow. What I have is this beautiful Jeep Gladiator, and we're gonna be installing a rough and country lift kit on it. So yes, as much trash that I talk about Jeeps, because I own Toyotas, they're really nice. I'm just giving y'all help, so don't get too sensitive on me now. We got the front coil plugged in. What we did is we removed this bracket for the brake lines. We removed the cable for the 4x4 out of the differential. Once you do that, we're gonna remove the track bar. You remove the sway bar, disconnect it. And once you do that, the whole front end is gonna drop. It's gonna give you enough space to remove the coils and the chucks. So then after that, you put the bump stop. With that, just put a jack under it, lift it up, and then you'll be able to put the new chucks. That's just for the front. We're gonna move to the back, put the coils, and then we worry about putting the track bar and the sway bars and all that. Alright guys, so we already put the chucks in the back, the new coils. To do that, you're just gonna have to remove the chuck, top and the bottom. You're gonna have to remove the sway bar, and you're gonna have to remove the caliper. You can just remove the little 10mm or whatever size it is. Remove the caliper, slide it back out, and then there is right there. There is the ABS sensor right here. You're gonna have to remove it. Remove it for this bracket, so you don't overextend it and break them. Once you do that on both sides, it'll be good if you have some help. You have somebody standing on one side of the axle, and that will give you enough space to remove the coil and put the new coil back in. And then once you got the coils in, you can put your chucks. Alright guys, watch this. This is how you lift a big tire without hurting yourself. This is my retarded son, and I'm showing you how to work on cars. Don't let me down, son.
I can't see shit. I can't see shit, man.
Oh man, you fucked up.
There it went.
Like that's on the ground.
No, I can't. You want to grab one?
No, just put.
Alright guys, so we are almost done here. We already put pretty much everything except for the track bars. We haven't linked them out yet, and the stabilizer in the front. For the track bars, the best thing to do, I'm gonna show you because it's a little bit tricky. Let's see, hold up, let me put this on focus. Okay, so what we did is we're gonna leave it disconnected. As you can see, it's not gonna match in the hole. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lower the vehicle and wait until the tires start touching the ground. The lower the vehicle gets, this bar is gonna start moving, and then we're gonna insert the bolt and we're gonna tie it down. Once we do that, then we go to the front and we put a stabilizer, everything on, and then we'll be done. Alright guys, here's the stabilizer. Rough and country. You got like 2 U-bolts in here. Hold them with that bracket. With the little shot with the stabilizer. Then you have another bracket. It goes here. What you want to do, these brackets, they have indentation to the right or to the left. Like this one, you're trying to put it into the inside, because if not, the chuck and server is not gonna go all the way when you steer to the right side or left side. But this thing is done, baby! We're gonna drop it down, we're gonna see what it looks like. That's good. Alright guys, so we're done. I mean, technically speaking, we started around 11. And it's about what time is it?
2:15.
2:15. So I know about 3 hours, right? But the thing is, we didn't really work all the time. I mean, we had like 2 6-packs here, so we got about 12 beers string. We talk a lot of bull crap, you know, just having fun time with the friends. So now we're just gonna go test drive it and see how it rides, but it definitely looks a lot better. I think it's gonna be really happy. Yeah, it looks good. So go to a test drive and then see what it looks like compared to what it was before.
Here we go, guys.
Alright, let's go for a ride.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Alright guys, so we're done. We're on our way back. I'm gonna call the customer, let him know the car is done. I really like it. I think it looks really good. This job, like I say, it took us about, if you wouldn't be messing around, because we were messing around a lot and not really working all the time, we were done in like 2 hours with help. Now, I do have to say, this is what I do for a living. I work on cars. I'm a mechanic, and my other friend was also a mechanic. One of them was, it was clueless, but it's okay. We were just trying like teach him. And if you're by yourself and you have some really good mechanical experience, I will say this job will take you around 4 to 5 hours. If you have no mechanical experience and you're gonna follow the instructions detail by detail, I will say that it will probably take you around 8 hours if you don't have good experience with cars. But yeah, that's it. You don't need a lift, but it will make a lot easier of a job if you do have a lift. So I do recommend it. If you have any questions, you can let me know and I will answer it. Try to explain it the best I can. I know that I didn't go to like every little detail me doing it on the video, because it will take you a long time to do that, and I didn't really have a long time. I gotta go in a day later on with the wifey, so I was trying to make a video and do the job and get it done, so I did it. And I try to explain to you the best I can, but like I say, if you have any questions, just let me know. No big deal. Yeah, I hope you like the video. So yeah, if you like it, just press that button and let me know. I'll see you guys around.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby.